Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can count the occurrence of each word in a sentence or a paragraph. So here you can see a multi-line sentence which have many words repeated. I have stored this string in a variable called sample. So first of all I will create a function named counter which will take an argument string. For time being I will type pass here and then I will call the function. So I will give the argument of sample. Now the first step would be to lowercase each word of this sentence. For example, every with capital letter E should be equivalent to every with small letter e. For that I need to reassign string with string.lower. This will ensure that every word have small letters. So the next step would be to store each word of the sentence in a list. I will call that list words. So basically this will split the sentence whenever a white space is present. Now I will create a dictionary named count and then I will create a for loop for word in words. So basically this for loop will loop over each word present in words list. So now I will create an if condition. If word in count. So basically this if condition will only run when the word is present in dictionary as a key. So if it is present as a key, I will increase the integer value associated with the key by 1. So the key here is word and I will increment it by 1. And if this condition is not true, that means the word is not present in the dictionary as a key. So in that condition, I will initialize the key, which is the word here, with 1. So basically when a new word is encountered, it is stored in the dictionary as a key and assigned a value of 1. So whenever the same word is encountered once again, the already present 1 is incremented by 1. So this is the logic of counting a word. Now I will print out the dictionary for key value in count dictionary print key comma value. I forgot to add dot items here. So basically this for loop will print key value pairs. Key here signifies word and value here signifies the frequency of each word. So now let's run the code. You can see that each word is printed along with the frequency of its occurrence. It says the word every is present 3 times in the sentence. So now let's check it. You can verify that every is present 3 times. First here, then after that here, then here. And person is present 2 times. Same can be seen here. Similarly, each word is printed along with the frequency of its occurrence. So that's it guys. This is how you can count the occurrence of each word in a paragraph or a sentence. So this was a short video. I hope you liked it and I will see you in the next video.
It's my only solution.